CCTV provides you with information that the customer would need, any blockage, roots, cracks, protruding surfaces, or any problems that are in the line, any breaks. They have a lot of rainwater infiltration, or they have blockage in the line. By sending a camera down the line, we'll tell you if you have any roots, grease, or any cracks in the pipes. We can also locate where those problems are at, and we can identify where exactly the points or where they gotta dig. We'll provide a live video on site, and we give the customers a USB with all the reporting. So on the storm drains, where we have a lot of sinkholes, like for example earlier we used a dye test, to identify if there's any cracks in the storm drain. So what we're doing here is creating a live video. We're trying to identify if there's any infiltration in the line or any roots causing a blockage.